Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to install custom themes on your Nintendo 3DS. So let's start this video. There are two simple methods on how to install custom themes on your Nintendo 3DS or 2DS or 3DS XL, it doesn't matter the model. The first method is the simplest one, and it's the one that I recommend for everyone. So to start this tutorial, you'll need three things. First, your console. Second, you have to mod it. In this video, I'm not gonna show you how to mod your Nintendo 3DS, but in a future video, I will show you guys how to mod your console. And the third thing you need is this application called Anemone or Anemone 3DS Theme Manager. When you mod your Nintendo 3DS, this is pre-installed on your console. But if for any case you modded your Nintendo 3DS or 2DS and it's not there, you have to go to Universal Updater, which is also pre-installed. You click open and then you find the app called Anemone 3DS Theme Manager. And as you can see, I have a custom theme here. It is from Street Fighter. So here you can see. It is very nice, it's beautiful. There's also a custom theme down in the bottom screen, and you can see that it has custom borders for the icons and a custom folder icon. It also comes with its custom background music. Yeah, so to start the first method, let's go and open our Anemone 3DS Theme Manager. Click open. Once it loads up, it's gonna show you this menu screen. Here you can see that I have downloaded some themes from SpongeBob, Zelda, Pokemon, and here's the entire menu. Over here in the top screen, it's gonna show you how to navigate on this app, and on the bottom screen is gonna show you some other information. So if you want to start looking for themes, you have to hold X for more. Here on the screen it shows you, hold X for more, and then we have to click here on the left, and then we release X. It is now downloading the theme list. So now that the themes have loaded, here you can see that there's a bunch of them. This is just page number 1 out of 1728. So yeah, if you don't like the themes here, you can go to the next page, clicking here on the arrow. So let's say I don't like these themes over here. Let's go to another page. You just find for the ones you like, and you can download the theme by just pressing A. So let's see. I want to preview this theme from Donkey Kong Returns. So to preview the theme before downloading it, you have to press Y. It's downloading the background music. And here it is. Let's see if it has sound. So yeah, let's say I love this theme, I really like it. So let's press B and press A, as it says here, to download the theme. And now you can see that the theme that we downloaded appears here on our list. So in order to install it on our SD card, we have to press A to hold to install, and then press up, and then we release A. And it's now installed on our Nintendo 3DS. So to save this action that we just did, we have to press start to exit. It is very important. It will not work if you press home and then just close the application. It wouldn't work like that. You have to press start. So you can restart your 3DS and it is successfully installed. So now let's press start and then power off. Turn it on again. And here you can see that we have successfully installed a custom theme on our Nintendo 3DS. So just to show you guys a little bit more about the Anemone 3DS Theme Manager, I'm gonna show you other options that we can do. So if you want to delete a theme from your SD card, we can press the button select and then press A if you don't like the theme that you currently have downloaded on your list, and it is successfully deleted. If you want to download using a QR code, you can press R here and it will open up your camera. In my case, my camera is broken, so for people who have a broken 3DS camera, it is always best just to download directly from the repository here. Another thing you can do is that you can download multiple themes and then queue shuffle the themes. So let me show you what I mean. So we have to press B in the ones that you want downloaded. So let's say I want this one. I want the Fruitier Ari one. Let's just choose whatever. Take in mind that you can only select 10 themes to shuffle. And now that we are done, we have to press A, hold to install, and then we have to press down, shuffle, install. Once it's done downloading, we have to press start to save our action by restarting our 3DS, power off. And now you can see that it randomly selected this theme. Another thing you can do with the Anemone app is that you can install the themes without the background music. So in this case, you can press A, hold to install, and then you will have to press on the right and then press A. Here you can see installing theme without background music, and that is done. So once you turn it on again, it's gonna show the theme but without the music. So that was the first method on how to install custom themes on your 3DS. But there is a second method, but that I don't really recommend because it is very unpractical and it's not the best method there is, but it is useful nonetheless. This second method, we have to use the HShop. The HShop is not pre-installed when you mod your 3DS. You have to install it on the internet, and then there's an instruction on the website of the HShop that guides you on how to install it. So if you have the HShop, just press A, and you have to go down on themes. You can choose the region, and let's say I don't know, I like Xenoblade Chronicles. Press A to install, and the theme is installed. So here you can see that we can't preview the theme, we can't hear the background music. That's why I say I don't really recommend it, because you can't really see what you are installing. So where is it right now? Now that we downloaded from the HShop? Well, you have to go back to the Anemone Theme Manager, because every time you download a theme from the HShop, it's gonna automatically go to the Anemone Theme Manager. Let's look it up. Where is it? And here you can see, here is our theme, Xenoblade Chronicles, that we downloaded from the HShop. So that is the second method. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and to smash that subscribe button. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you next time.